stiff, like I said, so figured the bike out, so figured the track out as well. We've got a new layout here, built and all, revamped track, so way different to last time we was here, but it is quite sick.